Howdy, my name is Trinity Robbins and I am a junior manufacturing and mechanical engineering technology student at Texas A&M University, but I'm also a second year NREIP intern here at NSWC Carderock. I found out about the program through my brother. He has worked here for a few years and he recommended that I apply, mostly so we could spend the summer together, but also just so I could get some real life engineering experience. And obviously I liked it the first time, so I'm back for my second year. I am paired with a mentor here at Carderock in the Dynamic Measurements and Testing Group, and what we specialize in is the explosives test pond and fleet exercises. And from there, it's really just I am able to participate in things that I know specifically affect our fleet and our Navy and our sailors. And it's really rewarding getting to see, even from last year, the project I worked on last year, I was able to see a new iteration of it earlier this summer. And the team environment in my code is just fantastic, and I wouldn't have it any other way. I got to learn a lot of things last year that I would not have learned in the classroom. My specialization at school is manufacturing engineering, and that's not something that's very active or very pivotal in my current code, but a lot of the base things I've learned have helped me here, but I've also gotten to learn things about electrical engineering and how we do things a very specific way here, and just how we try to do as much stuff in-house as possible to specialize to what the Navy needs. And all of those experiences have really taught me about just being flexible with my schedule, being able to go with the flow and take each day as it is. And the team in my code is just awesome. The technicians and the engineers all value each other's experience and opinions so highly that sometimes it's hard to remember who has what role, and I really enjoy that about my team. Before coming to Carderock last summer, I was very adamant about pursuing a career in agricultural manufacturing, which really just means manufacturing specifically focused on agricultural and farm or construction equipment. But after last summer, I really had a change of heart. I obviously returned for a second year because I love what I do here at Carderock, and I could definitely see myself being here long term. Like I said, the code I'm in is just fantastic. The people are amazing, and I would definitely consider working with them for a long-term career. I've had a fantastic experience as an NREIP intern, and I would definitely recommend that if you're able to apply and you're interested, that you would join this program. Thanks, and gig 'em.